Hi, I'm Keith Connors, Realtor broker here on the Florida Suncoast, Tampa, St. Pete, Clearwater. I want to introduce you to a website I've had for over 20 years. It's called whatismyhomereallyworth.com. Today, we're diving deep into the top 5 secrets that unlock your home's true value. Why? Knowing the right price is the key to selling quickly for the most money. Yes, to getting the most out of your investment. That's my goal for you to get your best deal. Please hit subscribe to the channel below. Now, for years, I've used more than 5 valuation tools to price a property. I recorded the top 5 videos over 7 years ago, at that time to send to out-of-state investors, about 175 properties total. Some of them freaked out just a little because some of them had no idea. So let's look at our top 5 valuation tools for any property. Number 1, beyond the Zestimate, unmasking the automated valuation models or AVMs. We've all seen them. There's estimates, Trulia estimates. These are AVMs, automated valuation models. And they're a handy starting point, but here's the catch. They rely on public data only, leading to about a 50% accuracy rate at best. That means they could be off by thousands of dollars. Or 50% of the time, Zillow's estimates may be within 3 to 6% of the actual selling price at all. I had one customer tell me he thought Zillow was the best because they were the biggest, the most accurate. No, that's wrong. Number 2, tapping into the MLS, unveiling the Realtor Valuation Model or RVM. It's called the RVM. It's like getting a better starting point in the negotiation. This RVM, by the way, is what many realtors see first. It's a more comprehensive estimate and a realtor's starting point for their CMA. But caution, some new realtors don't know where to find the RVM. Number 3, unveiling the magic of the comparative market analysis, the CMA. Now we're getting closer. A CMA goes beyond basic data. It considers similar homes in your neighborhood, weeding out the outliers that skew the results, finding the very best property matches. That ensures we're comparing apples to apples, not oranges, okay? A good CMA example, one neighborhood of over 200 homes. Some of them are on the water. Does that mean every house is worth $2 million? No. Do those waterfront properties help the value of the homes on the same street? Yes, they do. My CMAs get down to the details. You may have heard the devil is in the details. Now, number 4, predicting your home's fate. This is the power of the absorption rate. You want to know how long it might take to sell your home. Absorption rates come to the rescue. They analyze market activity, revealing how quickly or slowly similar homes are selling. Like how long are homes like yours going to be on the market? This intel helps us to price your property strategically for a smooth and swift sale based on your goal, your timetable, and your budget. Finally, number 5, unveiling the linear plot graph analysis system. Unveiling the appraiser level accuracy. So finally, we unveil the secret weapon, the plot graph analysis system. Think of this as a detailed map guiding us to the most accurate price for your home, beyond the best comparables we can find. So that's it. Visit whatismyhomereallyworth.com for a fast and free, easy AVM, automated valuation model. You know what that is now. And if you like, I can get you a monthly home valuation update, monthly, semi-annually, whenever you want it, okay? Remember, I just want you to get your best deal. If you're just curious about your home's value, we can hook you up too. So how about a little call to action? If you're ready to unlock your home's true value, visit the website, whatismyhomereallyworth.com. Together, when you're ready, we can lock in a stress-free home selling experience.